Time to learn how to ask your name and say it by you are in French. By now you know how to say I am in French in order to tell your name. Let's add some useful things to the skill. How to ask the name of the opposite person you are speaking with. How to say his or her name by using you are. The structure of using a verb in a statement, I mean a very normal and simple sentence, neither negative nor question, is just like in English. You should use the subject before the verb. In order to begin the sentence, you need to begin with a subject. By now you've learned the subjective pronouns, for remembering which I've put the link up there and you can go take a look. Je for I, tu for you, il for he, and elle for she. And the rest still waiting for more practice. And after the subject, it's verb's turn. This structure of using subject plus verb always helps you make statements. In this session, we're working more on the subject tu, meaning singular you. Before that, if you are interested in progressing alongside me, Ali, your friend, in Ali in French, and you like learning this language, the lovely French, please subscribe and make the bell remind you of my new videos, which would be every day. And s'il vous plaît, please support me with your energies, liking these videos and writing comments. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. The proper question to ask what's your name in French is tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Very friendly and not suitable if you are asking it of a non-friendly person or a stranger. Then you'd better ask respectfully. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Or, quel est votre nom, s'il vous plaît? Quel est votre nom, s'il vous plaît? Work more on the subject tu, singular and friendly you. The proper French version of the verb be for this subject is est. Tu es. Tu es Ali. Tu t'appelles Ali. Example. Je suis Ali. Je m'appelle Ali. Tu t'appelles comment? Comment t'appelles-tu? Please answer in the comments. Helpful reviews are waiting for you. Recommended highly. Please practice a lot. Au revoir.